I got the Rampage out here in the beautiful Arizona sun. Just gonna cruise around, make some nice passes, and have a great time.
Receiver battery.
Let's do some long, deep, and clean ones. I think we all want to see that.
Model speed 9 miles per hour. Receiver battery 5.4 volt. External battery 20.
Well, that sure is long, deep, and clean.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats?
She's doing a little better than 70.
It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed.
Now we'll just cruise. We got rolling.
100 miles an hour on the water. Shit. Animal twin cat RTR.
No, we're losing battery. Bring her in.
Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-bright, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip.
Well, it looks like the river won this round, and it's time for me to bring my ass home. I'll tell you what, I've had a hell of a time. This is one hell of a water. This is one hell of a place. I can't thank racing legend Tony Scarlett enough for showing me all this stuff, man, and continuing to throw this event. And a very good reason, excuse for me to come out here and enjoy a few extra days to do this. Wow. I mean, what is not to love? Look at that there. Whew. Are you serious with me? I mean, that's as far as the eye can see. Glassy water ice capades. Well, it's Bill Oxydine here. Over and out.